Ready? Okay, let's go. Here we have Madame Vanessa with the clothes that is colorful. It has green, mauve, pink, white stripes. No, you know it. The shoes is brown, gold. Ikaw, I can see.
Brown in a beige.
It's brown, sorry. And what else? You have the bracelet, the flower in the hair, the new black hair.
The makeup.
The makeup. Ah, naka-zoom. Pag naka-zoom sa makeup. It's the pretty face.
Okay.
The earrings. Oh, the earrings. I can see the earrings. Where's the earrings?
Oh, tapada.
Oh, there's the earrings.
Oh no.
Can't keep piercing.
Okay.
There, the necklace.
The funny one from the makeup.
Flower. I think. Yeah.
Okay, now next.
Okay. Bershka.
Okay. Ako sa figo isas. Bershka in Tadikot. I'm speaking Greek.
Yeah, that's why you can speak.
Oh.
My clothes from H&M, nakita di Kila's photos. You have seen it in your life. And from Like here. I have Madame Stacy with a funky neck bracelets here. Okay. I have accessories. Boring. Oh, get my shoes. I wasn't ready.
Not inana.
And our shoes. What's going on? I'm drunk. Okay. Commercial. This is H&M akong talo sa Mintia. H&M? The kato? Talo sa Mintia. Sa talo sa Mintia. You gonna shop? I don't know. And the shoes. Mine is, I don't know from where's my shoes. Brown. It's brown. Mine's black. So I'm constantly black.
No makeup.
Oh, the makeup. You first. No. I want to makeup.
Normal eyeliner.
Yeah, just
everyday
routine.
routine.
Mascara and stuff. Lip gloss. Lip gloss. And I don't know face.
Okay. Now everybody together, all together.
Okay, all together. Today we had our first Shiva